Steve Fletcher here, and welcome to the Everything Guide to Learning to Play Guitar. Before we get started, can I ask you please to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube page, really help me grow my online business. And if you've got a moment, just check out all my social media. There's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, as well as my website. The links are all down there in the description. If you need a little friendly reminder of everything that we've done so far in the Everything Guide to Learning to Play Guitar, then you can follow the link up there in the corner and it will take you to the playlist for everything that we've been through. So we're starting a brand new section in this video. We're doing tabulature, combining the tabulature and the chords to get songs that sound that little bit more accurate to how they really are. All the sheets that accompany every one of these videos is available direct from me. If you head over to my website, the link is down there in the description. I think it's really important, the further down the road of the Everything Guide to Learning Guitar, the further down the road you go, the more important it is that you do get those sheets. Because you do need that visual accompaniment to go alongside what I'm saying. If you're a student of mine, either in school or over Zoom, then you will get those sheets automatically. So if you're watching this video, then you should already have that sheet. If you're just watching me out there in internet land, then head over to my website where you can download those sheets. If you are still unfamiliar with what tabulature is, then you can find the dedicated learning how to read tabulature video right there in the corner. I definitely advise you to have a look at that one. So let's get to it. All right, Redemption Song by Bob Marley, an absolutely brilliant song. It's widely regarded as one of Bob Marley's greatest works, and it really is. It's absolutely fantastic. It was featured originally on the 1980 album Uprising, released as a single. And again, bless them, Rolling Stone magazine listed it on their top 500 greatest songs of all time, and it got to number 66. The main intro riff is quite straightforward, again, sort of sticking in this area here for you. So plenty of opportunity to just match those finger numbers to the fret numbers. You'll notice that I'm not doing a lot of moving. I'm trying to keep my fingers nice and, well, not still, but as keeping the movements as small as possible. We're trying to avoid things like that, which you do see a lot of beginners doing. You know, taking your fingers way off what you're doing. Try to just keep those movements as small as you can. At the end of the day, you're using up too much energy. Structure-wise, it's quite straightforward. There's not too many scary chords in there. We do get this C over B chord, which you often see when you're going from a C chord to an A minor. This idea of going... If you went from C to A minor, no one would notice, no one would complain or say, oh, that sounds a bit weird. But sometimes what we get is this nice little fall down of the root note. So you go C to B to A, and you do that in Redemption Song, and you'll see it, you know, occasionally. But what you basically get is that third finger is going to come off. Your second finger is going to jump to the second fret of your A string. So there is the B, and then you're going to go to your A minor chord. So you get something that sounds like this. Yeah, it is long. That's the other thing. And the only reason it's really long is because there's a couple of subtle small changes in a few of the positions, in a few of the sections there. So that's the only reason it's really long. But chord-wise, very straightforward. G's, C's, D's, E minors, stuff you've been doing for ages now. So it shouldn't cause you too much trouble. So thanks for watching. Please leave me some nice comments. Please check out all my social media, my website down there in the description. And we'll see you next time, boys and girls. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.